Troubleshooting basic air conditioning problems. Problems, cause, solutions. Case 1. Problem. There's little or no air coming from the vents, and you're sure it's on. Cause. The A/VC fuse is blown. Broken or loose wires or connections. The on-off switch is defective. Solutions. Check and or replace fuse. Check and or repair connections. Replace switch. Case 2. Problem. There's little or no air coming from the vents, and you're sure it's on. The air coming from the vents is not cool enough. Cause. Windows and air vent wings open. The compressor belt is slipping. Heater is on. Condenser is clogged with debris. Refrigerant has escaped. Trough a leak in the system. Receiver dryer is plugged. Solutions. Close windows and vent wings. Tighten or replace compressor belt. Shut heater off. Clean the condenser. Check system. Service system. Case 3. Problem. The air has on odor. Cause. Vacuum system is disrupted. Odor producing substances on the evaporator case. Condensation has collected in the bottom of the evaporator housing. Solutions. Have the system checked/repaired. Clean the evaporator case. Clean the evaporator housing drains. Case 4. Problem. System is noisy or vibrating. Cause. Compressor belt or mountings loose. Air in the system. Solutions. Tighten or replace belt, tighten mounting bolts. Have the system serviced. Case 5. Problem. Sight glass condition. Constant bubbles, foam, or oil streaks. Clear sight glass, but no cold air. Clear sight glass, but air is cold. Clouded with milky fluid. Cause. Constant bubbles, foam, or oil streaks. No refrigerant at all. System is okay. Receiver dryer is leaking desiccant. Solutions. Charge the system. Check and charge the system. Have system checked. Case 6. Problem. Large difference in temperature of lines. Cause. System underchanged. Solutions. Charge and leak test in the system.